Grandma's kitchen was magical. It smelled warm and inviting. She made the best apple pie. It was flaky and sweet. Every bite felt like a hug. It was a secret recipe. Every holiday, we ate her pie. The whole family loved it. Grandma would smile. She knew her recipe was special. She promised to teach me one day. I couldn't wait to learn. I miss Grandma. She was gone but not forgotten. I had her recipe. It was time to make her pie. I felt close to her in the kitchen. I followed each step carefully. My first pie was a disaster. The crust was hard. The filling was too runny. It tasted okay. It wasn't Grandma's pie. I felt discouraged. I wanted to give up. I tried again the next day. I used different apples. I adjusted the oven temperature. This time, the crust was better. The filling was still not right. I kept practicing. Each attempt was a learning experience. I learned from my mistakes. I started to understand the recipe. I could almost hear Grandma's voice. Finally, I did it. The pie was perfect. The crust was golden brown. The filling was the perfect sweetness. It tasted just like Grandma's. I took a bite and closed my eyes. I felt so proud. I had cracked the code. This wasn't just apple pie. It was Grandma's love. It was family tradition. Now I could share it with everyone.